In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Cursor AI on Windows. Let's start with the download. Open your browser and head to the official website at cursor.com. If you don't remember the exact address, you can search for Cursor AI download and look for the official site in the results. Once you're there, click the Windows download button. Your browser will begin downloading an installer file with the .exe extension. By default, this file goes into your downloads folder unless you've set a different location. When the download finishes, it's time to run the installer. Open your downloads folder, find the .exe file you just grabbed, and double-click it. If Windows asks whether you want to allow this app to make changes, choose Yes to continue. The installer will launch and guide you through a standard setup flow. First, you'll see the license agreement. Take a moment to review it, then accept to proceed. Next, you'll be asked where to install Cursor. If you're not sure, the default path is perfectly fine for most users and keeps things organized. You may also see options like creating a desktop icon. Enable that if you want quick one-click access later. When you're ready, click Install. You'll see a progress bar as files are copied. Just let it run and avoid closing the window until it completes. Once the installation finishes, you'll have the option to launch Cursor immediately. Make sure the Launch Cursor box is checked, then click Finish. Cursor will open right away for the first time setup. Inside Cursor, you'll be prompted to import settings from Visual Studio Code if you use it. This can bring over themes, extensions, and preferences to help you feel at home faster. You'll also choose your preferred key bindings, such as VS Code or JetBrains, so the editor behaves the way you expect from day one. Next, you may be asked to sign in or create an account using a provider like Google or GitHub. Signing in unlocks the full feature set and helps with syncing your setup across devices. You'll also be presented with data and privacy preferences. Take a moment to choose the options you're comfortable with, especially around analytics and AI improvement. These choices are about how your usage data is handled and can usually be adjusted later in settings if you change your mind. That's it. You've downloaded, installed, and set up Cursor on Windows. Enjoy your new coding environment and happy building.